First creation of sales order. Creation of sale order T code is VA01. Okay. Once you enter the VA01, we need to enter the order type. It's a DOM. Okay. Then the sales organization is 1000. Next one is distribution channel is 1000 and division is 1000. Sorry, distribution channel is 10 and the division is 10 and the sales offices whichever suppose we have created based on the planned and planned and sales office is same. Which suppose if I am in I am creating the sales order from Ambattur, I will create the AM0. Now I am going to create the Vijayawada VA01. Okay. So whichever my plant is there, we have created as a sales office. Based on here, the authorization will work. Other plant person will not create. We can't create that sales order. Okay. Now that sales office is VA01. Okay. Then the customer here, whichever based on the plant, we have updated the customer code. Whichever who are all shipped from the office address. ஆமா சார், அது இப்போ நான் மெயில் அனுப்பிட்டேன். மோகனுக்கு அம்பாத்மர் மோகன் யூபிள் டிசைனிங்ல இருக்காங்க சார். அந்த மோகனுக்கு மெயில் கொடுக்குறேன். கரெக்டாக பண்ண சொல்லுங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட். அது யூபிள்ல சம்மந்தர் இஷ்யூஸாக இருக்குது. நாளைக்கு மத்தியானம் வரைக்கும் டைம் எடுத்துருக்கான். அவங்க லக்ஷ்மியை காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கான் கிளியர் டாக்ஸ் டீமில். ஸோ அவங்களோட ஹெல்ப் கேட்டு தான் இந்த இஷ்யூலாம் சால்வ் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான். மத்தியானத்துக்குள்ள யூபிள் இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணி. அடுத்தது வந்து ஒரு இன்வாய்ஸ் வந்து டைப் இன்வாய்ஸ் டைப் ரெகுலர்னு வரணுமா? டொமஸ்டிக் தானே சார்? டொமஸ்டிக் தான். அது மொத்தம் 3 ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குமா? ஒன்னு ரெகுலர், இன்னொன்னு ஷிப் ஃப்ரம். ஓகே ஃபைன் ஃபைன். அது அந்த ரெகுலர் வராம காம்பினேஷன் ஆஃப் 3 and 4 னு தப்பா வருது. சரி, அதையும் செக் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. அது இவருக்கு மட்டும் தான் வருதா இல்ல டப்போக்கு வருதா தெரியல. அதையும் செக் பண்ணி சொல்லுங்க. அடுத்தது வந்து ஈவே பில்ல அட்ரஸ் கரெக்ட்டா வந்து பின் கோட் தப்பா வருதா? ஏதோ சம்திங் ஆர் சொன்னாரு. ஐ வில் டிஸ்கஸ் வித் வருதானே சார்? திலீப் தானே? நான் செக் பண்றேன். Here, based on the plant code, we have restricted the customer. Okay, now I am selecting the one customer for Vijayawada. Okay, so for the customer, I am going to create the sales order. Okay, now I am entering. Suppose over the phone, WhatsApp, whatever you want, just update here. Okay, so then which material I am going to sell, I am entering my material code. Here entering my order quantity. I am entering for testing purpose, just order quantity. Here the credit management will active for this customer. So for the credit limit is exceeded, we can't deliver the goods for that particular customer. So we need to inform the HO team to update the credit limit. So I am entering here. Okay. So based on already we have maintained for that material, billing price and NRV price is maintained. So we can check here that NRV 530 and billing price is 800. A billing price always higher than NRV price. Okay, if it is less than NRV price, system will not accept to create the sales order. Okay, now I am saving my sales order now. Okay, before saving the sales order, I need to check whether my incompletion log, whether any other things I have missed or not. You can, before saving the sales order, you can recheck again whether the tax is not tax is calculated properly, and whether other things are working properly. Like now the JOC is calculated, so you can check other things also. If you want to add a discount here also, you can add, as otherwise you can add in the invoice also. Same, and freight also, if you want to add here, and you can add invoice also. Okay, now that document is completed. Now I am going to save the sales order. Okay, my sales order number is 480. If before delivering that before delivering the stock, we need to check whether that particular material, whether stock is available or not. Okay, for that reason, I'm going to check now whether that material stock is available or not. Okay, for stock available check is MMB. MMBE. I'm entering that material and the plant code is VJ01, right? Sorry, VA01. Okay, VA01. VA01. Now, okay. Now these are the stacks available, so I can deliver this goods. Okay. Now I'm going to deliver this. I'm going to do the deliver this goods actually. So there is a two option. One is option is T code is VL01N, VL01N/N, VL01N. So we can deliver here also. The system will ask the shipping point. Suppose this way also we can deliver. So if it is in that particular material batches are updated properly, automatically batch is determined. Otherwise, we need to update manually. There is a two option. One is VL01N. Another one option is in the sale order itself. You can go and check. There is an option is there deliver. You can if you click, you can here also you can directly go to that delivering screen. Okay. Now I'm going to pick the quantity. For that reason, if you want to split two different batches, you can use the batch split here. You can select here batch option. Which batches we are going to deliver. And I'm choosing two different batches. If you want, you can select multiple batches also. Okay. So I am here the batches for the plant and material. There is a lot of options are there. Now you can choose batches for plant and material. Okay, now you can enter that storage location. Delivering quantity is 5. Okay, now I will go back here. Again, you can cross check whether the picked quantity is picked correctly or not. Storage location and batches. Okay, now I am going to do that PGI. Okay, PGI. If you see, you can save this also, or you can directly do that PGI. While doing the PGI, our requirement is automatically invoice to be created. Okay, while doing the PGI, when clicking the PGI button, automatically invoice is created. Now the system showing the error. The credit management is activated. So the credit already the customer credit limit is exceeded. So for that we need to send the mail to HO team. They will release the credit limit. Okay. So you can send that screenshot to the HO team. They will release the credit limit, or they can increase that credit limit. Okay, it's their decision. So for that reason, we are releasing the credit to. Right, 1 second. 1 second, hold on. Okay. So HO team will release this credit limit for the customer. So they will upgrade it as per the requirements also. So once the credit limit is upgraded or released, we can do the delivery. Okay. Now system allow us to do the PGI. Okay. Again, I am selecting this. Now I'm going to click that PGI button. Now system is allow us to create the PGI because already credit management is increased or released to the customer. Okay, we can now create the PGI. Once click that PGI button, invoice number is automatically created based on our requirement. So once the delivery, this document is generated, you can click the document flow. Document flow. Okay, how I'm coming this document flow means go to the document delivery button, go to that display document. So then this screen will come. Then you need to select the document flow. In that document flow, there is a domestic sales of invoices created. Now go and check that invoice is correct or not. This is the two batches we have created. So in that particular material, so we need to update a vehicle number, sales rep, whatever you want, you can update vehicle number. If you want to update here, you can update, and you want to update a transporter ID. If it is a registered transporter, you can click F4 and update the transporter details. Otherwise, you can enter the transporter details manually. Okay, then you need to select the vehicle type. Vehicle type. Hmm. Then you need to update the transporter mode. Transporter mode, which is road or rail, ship or air. Okay, you can select these options. Okay, other detail, if you want to update LR number, LR date, you can update. Otherwise, it's not a mandatory field. Then come to header text. In the header text, you can update any, you want to update the remarks, you can update the remarks. Otherwise, sales representative name is there. You can update here whatever you want. You can update the sales rep name. Sales rep name, suppose if it is updated in the customer master, it will pick automatically while creating the sales order. If it is not picked automatically, here we have an option to enter the sales rep here. Okay, fine. Then here we can check whether the price is calculated properly or not. You can check here the basic price is check whether the tax is not calculated properly. If you want to add discount conditions, you can add it here. If you want freight condition to be added, you can add it here. Or otherwise, other things are there in the item text. Here the cases are there. If it is if they are maintaining in the material master, cases to be calculated automatically. Otherwise, you can maintain in the text column. Click the text, then you can enter the data. Then manufacturing date. In the manufacturing date and expiring date, in the updated in the batch management. If it is not updated in the material batch, we can enter here also. Okay. Double click the manufacturing date and double click the expiring date. Okay, then you can save this invoices. Okay, any other data you want to update, you can update. Now go to that VF02, then issue output to, you can select the invoice printout. How we can see the screen? Go to that VF02. VF02, go to top billing document, click that one, then go to issue output to. Okay, fine. Then this screen will come. Then you need to select the output type. And if you want direct print, you can click this one print. Otherwise, you can click that print preview. Okay, here you can check whether the print is correct or not. Okay, this your address is correct or not, you can recheck again. Okay, here IR number is not generated because the DUA bill we are not yet created. Yeah, e-invoicing not yet created. We have updated the first batches, we are not updated the second. If you updated that date there, they automatically system will pick here also. Okay, fine. Okay, transporter details we have entered, transporter details we have entered there, then automatically it will affect. So if you want to add the freight value, if you add freight in their freight also, I will explain you. We have updated the vehicle number, system is fetched the vehicle number now. So if you if you want to add the freight, you can again go to that VF02, VF02. Now go to hit, click header, go to conditions, click add, fixed freight amount is TFM. Is that TFM? You can add it 500 rupees. I'm entering the 500 rupees. Go back. Now again click header. Now click that conditions. So now check. Right condition is deducted. So total value is coming 5,940. Okay, now check. Go on. Go on. Issue output to and check again. Print preview whether invoice is correct or not. Now the freight value also updated here. Okay, this is the income. These are the process for creation of invoice. Okay, after creation of invoice, so if you this is for invoice creation, then we need to go for a e-invoicing creation process. Okay, if you want once if you release this flag, it will automatically pay, going to the accounting. So if the values are correct, you can release to the accounting. It will reflect in the your customer ledger balance. Otherwise, if the value is not correct, please don't release to the accounting, because we can't update the freight and discount conditions after releasing to the accounting. We can't change anything after releasing to the accounting. Okay, once the every data is correct, then you can release to the accounting. Okay, now I am going to create the e-invoicing. E-invoicing T code is ZDZ underscore EINV underscore creation. Okay. Now here which plant we have entered V801. Okay. Now we need to V801. Plant is V801 and we need to enter the date. Which date today date is 9004. ஒரு பெங்களூர்ல இருந்து ஒரு சேல் ஆர்டர் அப்லோட் பண்ணுமா உங்களுக்கு கம்ச்சர் பண்ணிடலாமான்னு கேட்கிறாரு அவர். அப்லோட் பண்ணணுமா நிறைய பண்ணணுமா? ஒன்னே ஒன்று ஒரு நிமிஷம் இருக்குங்க. இல்ல ஒரு நிமிஷம் என்னோட பேசுங்க. சொல்லுங்க அருண் சார். ஸ்பீக்கர்ல இல்ல காது வச்சு பேசுங்க. சரி 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 100 இருக்கா சார்? அதான் சார் சேல் ஆர்டர் எத்தனை இருக்கு சார்? 1 100? சரி 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 அனுப்பி விடுங்க சார். இன்னைக்கே பண்ணணுமா சார்? ம் 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 சரி சார். சரி 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 சார். ஏன்னா நான் இப்ப அந்த வீடியோ எடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன். நான் வீடியோ முடிச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் வேற ஏதாவது இஷ்யூ இருந்துச்சுன்னா பார்த்துட்டு நான் கிளம்புவேன் சார். சரி சார். நான் பார்க்குறேன் சார். ஓகே சார். அப்படியே கொடுங்க. Then we need to update the plant and we need to update that billing date. Then if you want to create the only e-invoicing, select e-invoicing for sales invoice and IRN yet to generate. These are you can select only for IRN creation this option. You need to enter the plant and the date and e-invoicing for sales invoice and IRN need to generate. Or if you want to create e-invoicing and e-way bill both, then you can choose that e-invoicing and e-way bill generation. Okay, then you can select here all invoices. Okay, once you select, now I am going to create only for e-invoicing. So now IRN need to generate, I am choosing this one. Okay, here these are the option only for IRN creation. So just I am selecting this IRN invoice number, then I create the e-invoicing button. Okay, some error is there. I will check whether this error is create e-invoice. Maybe that the quality server maybe not updated in that portal. So I will check with again. So this is the way we need to create the e-invoice. Okay, if you want to create a e-invoicing and both, we can choose here and go click here and select create e-invoicing and e-waybill. So now we are in, it's not generated. Some other issues are there. We will check whether what is the issue from our side. Okay. This is the way we need to create the, if the data is correct, system is created automatically. There is no need to worry about that details. This is the process of e-invoicing and e-waybill creation. Okay. Okay, fine. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. Please connect in the common link. We will update you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.